I recently bought 120mm Coolman RGB fan, which is silent, cool and stylish. Coolmoon 120mm, 25mm rainbow RGB, color 1300 RPM, airflow 38.5 CFM, hydro bearing, T-type 4-pin interface, 12V DC and 4.2 watt power, lifetime 25,000 hours, which is good, and sound level 20 decibel. I have already installed this fan. You see, this is the Coolmoon controller. I have installed 10 fans in this controller. You see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
This package included 6 RGB computer cooling fan, 1 controller box, 1 remote control, 1 power cable D-type 4-pin, 1 5V 3-pin sync cable and 6 4-pieces screws. Each RGB fan is equipped with 2 independent light loops, having great light coverage on both front and back side. Besides, the RGB LED fan provides up to 366 lighting modes of automated cycle, play and dynamic multicolored effects. Built with RF wireless remote controller, the case fan is easy to remote control on and off and enables users easily to select preferred RGB lighting effects and colors. Also, the 2-pin reset switch on the controller hub be able to replace the reset button on your case to change fan colors. The 120mm case fans featured the 9-phase silica gel fan blade, rubber pads and hydraulic bearing, which greatly prevent vibration transfer to the chassis and ensure low noise below 16 decibel. The 6-pin interface specially designed to provide RGB fan safe and reliable power output, much enough to support the maximized airflow 1300 rpm. 120mm cooling fan delivers powerful yet quiet cooling, ideal for use in your case or with water cooling radiator. It comes with LEDs on two sides instead of one side LED loop found on most LED fans, giving you beautiful glowing whether you view it from the front or back, and bright RGB color with multiple effects turns your case into a fantasy land. An included RF remote allows easy control of the lighting with simple press of a finger. Add this RGB fan to your rig and take cooling and style to the next level. 120mm fan tuned for high airflow and large volume cooling. Colorful LED light design provides improved performance over standard case fans. Auto-theme fan blades ensures less vibration, noise and turbulence. Easy to change the color mode, effect and color change speed via the controller. High-speed rotation to bring excellent cooling effect to the chassis. High airflow and large volume cooling by blade design, super silent and enjoy the nice heat dissipation effect with cool rainbow RGB lighting effect. There are 380 lighting modes with remote control. You can freely combine the best light effect without any defects. Music rhythmic sync plus ARGB motherboard sync analog intelligent controller. Fan lighting effect can change with music note, also can synchronize with the motherboard. Addressable RGB lighting function. It must be work with an addressable RGB 5V 3-pin capable motherboard. Support ASUS 5V 3-pin or MSI 5V 3-pin or Gigabyte 5V 3-pin, ASRock 5V 3-pin, Colorful 5V 3-pin, etc. But it does not support 4-pin 12V. Silent and seismic design feature hydraulic bearing self lubricates, makes the fan run noiseless and the air volume larger. That 8 damping silicon pads fixed on both sides of the fan frame is to reduce the noise of the polarization motor vibration. And multiple modes RF wireless remote RGB fan controller, one key to adjust color change speed mode.